How do you Talaga and how far you and for the discussion closely the story of the work about solving more problems involving multiple para makapasok kaya nakapag-solve na kayo ng nakaraan ng birth problem. It's why I know kaya niyo na solve. Because before that, let's have a solve. Again, what is GTF? It stands for greatest common factor. Or when you say greatest, highest. When you say factor, it's on numbers. But if you multiply, it equals to the given number. And then we have the LCM. When you see LCM, it stands for least common multiple. When you say least, mababa. Multiple is the numbers that if you divide the even number, it will be equally exact without remaining. Okay. So next, before we use strategy, one strategy to solve your problem. If you remember what is that, you can write that in your notebook. If your answer is UPSC, you are correct. Again, UPSC stands for understand, and solve, and conclusion. To understand what is happening. To plan how will you answer the problem. And then, so we're going to evaluate or use your plan, do your plan. Next is the conclusion. How are you going to conclude? To conclude, we're going to answer the question in word problem. Define every word problem, there are one question, one or two or one or more, two or more questions, right? So now let me share my screen to you. So we can better understand how to solve word problems involving this Jumbo GTF and so here are the keywords to different para pag bagin yung LTMS He said to differentiate LPM and physics. So an LPM, kapag LPM we have repetition or cycle, meron pattern, and then it can happen at the same time. So ang pinaka-obvious na keyword here is the smallest or least. However, in GTS naman, meron siyang group in split or divide, nag-divide siya equally or share, no least over, or pinaka-obvious is greatest over largest. Okay? Creativity. Ang LPM, meron siyang repetition cycle, happen at the same time, smallest or least. However, in GTF naman meron siyang grouping, split or divide equally, share, knowledge over, and divided or yes. So to better differentiate this two, let's have someone that's roughly. Okay, number one, boxes before 12 inches tall are being stacked next to the boxes that are 8 inches tall. What is the shortest height at which the stacks will be the same height? M. So what is asked here? What is the shortest height at which the two stacks will be the same height? So let's look for the two words. Look for the two words. If you are correct, the use for there is short pulse. When we say short pulse, it is belong to LDM, correct. And so so we can see the word in the right. Okay, next let's have one. That's the sum in package. Then the razors come in package as well. Philip wants to purchase a smaller number of pencils and erasers so that you will have exactly one eraser per pencil. How many packages of pencil and eraser should still look fine? No, I mean blue words. Let's look for the blue words. Let's check the questions. Having asked how many packages of pencils and erasers should fill the by. Again, wala. So let's look for the word problem itself. Look for the keywords. If you answer the smallest, the word is smallest. So it's smallest refers to it belongs to correct belongs sa and yung mga pinag hindi sa maliit. Okay? Next, let's have there are 20 girls and 42 boys from the section registered to the participate in a science week. With masters one as many teams as possible. With the same number of boys in each team, how many teams will there be? How many boys and girls are in the team? So meron tayo dito, as you can see, meron tayo dito, grouping. So kapag may groupings tayo, meron tayo GCF or correct. Iba sa GCF, nag-group na divide. Yeah, no? So, in the problem sila is nag-divide. Observe. You know how many things there will be? Yes, are you learning that something? Yes. Okay. Going to look for the next, let's have the that example. Hurry, the Mango from the magazine store lemons. He wants to put all the food into plastic containers, each with the same number of pieces of food in it. What is the greatest number of pieces of food she can in each plastic container? Yeah, look for the clue word. If you answer the question, you are correct. Okay, greatest is the keyword here. Kapag greatest is, it is belong to Very good. Belong to study. At kasi nanapis yung pinaka-mata. And also, as you observe, meron siyang nag-divide. Mag-happy. Pag nag-divide, di ba, word? Cheery, word, happy. Happy tayo na. Both that you are learning, okay? Yes, it's all the keywords in differentiating without even again, kapag LCM, meron siyang repetition cycle happen at the same time. Smallest and least. Kapag pieces, broken, split, divide equally, share, no left over the data one margin. Okay, always remember this. One, you can pause this video and copy this notes, okay? Let's proceed. So solving the word problem. Number one, let's have Anne-Marie needs to pack 15 pencils, 12 box of crayons, and 9 pens to bundle. She must pack one item in each bundle, and each bundle must have the same number of items. What is the greatest number of the same items she must pack in a bundle? So let's use the U, P, and T. Let's understand what is asked there. Ibang tanong. Your answer is what is the greatest number of your answer is this or correct. What's the greatest number of the same items she must pack in a bundle? Okay? So ang clue word natin here is look for the keywords one. Your answer is this one, you are correct. And this one is belong to me. So in this case, we're going to find the first greatest common factors. Okay, let's solve. Let's find the greatest common factors of 15, 12, and 9. Okay. Please do it in your book. Find the factors of 15, 12, and 9. You can pause this video. Okay. So if your answer is this, in 15 we have 1, 3, 5. And so we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 12. And in 9 we have 1, 3, 9. So here, what is our greatest common factor? Okay, if your answer is 3, then correct. Okay, so now let's interpret or let's conclude this problem. Okay, answer. Get three as the greatest common factor. So sabi ko kanina, in concluding the answer, gawa natin making conclusion, we're only going to answer the question. Again, what is the question there, kanina? What is the greatest number of the same item she must pack in the bundle? So in conclusion, she must have 3 of the same items in the bundle. Okay? How? And we are working delivering newspapers and magazines from a publishing company for 7 months. We delivers newspapers every 3 days in a village. We also delivers magazines every 7 days. So, if students deliver today, when is the next time they will deliver on the same day? So, kita nyo na agad, understand? What is the question there? What is the meaning or what is being asked? The students deliver today, when is the next time they will deliver on the same day? Ngayon, next one. What is the keywords there? Same. So, saan nga ba yung may save kanina? Siya is not na. And kapag LCM, we're going to find the least common multiple of 3 and 7. And we say multiple or the numbers that if you divide the 3 and 7, it will be equally same without remainder. Okay, let's solve. Okay, now find the LCM of 3 and 7. In your MVP, you can pause this video and start answering. So go, what are you waiting for? Answer. Oh, if you answer is this, you are correct. What is the multiple of 3? We have 3, 6, 9, 12, 15, 18, 1, 4, 7 up to 30. And for 7, we have 7, 14, 21, 28, 35, 42, and 49. Okay, so now, what is the least common multiple? Pinakamababa. If you answer 21, you are correct. Here we have 21 after the LCM. So next, let's conclusion. Let's have the conclusion. We're going to answer the questions. What is the question there? The question there? When is the next time they will deliver on the same day? So they will deliver on the same day again 21 days later. Okay, I hope you will learn. If you have any questions regarding what is topic, you can message me. Books that help. See now you right. Because MVP you try to answer this one. Okay. You can pause this video and start. So then let's answer this. Number one, understand. Check your. I will check your paper. Okay. EMS. Honestly is the best policy. Okay. Everyone. Understand what is being asked. What time will the three bells ring together at the same time? So plan the words there is the same. Now CN. So multiples of 3, 6, and 10. I am LCM is 30. But take notes the time ang ating hinahanap. So, sabihin mo, what time daw yung tatlong bell mag-ring? So, we're going to add it 30. 30 will be added to 8 if the time pag time lang ang i-add natin yung ating fine. So, the conclusion, the three bells will ring together at 8:30. Okay, next let's have understand what is the greatest number of digits of which you can put in each class table. Each class, the group or here is the greatest. It is obvious. The greatest belongs to F. Now, let's solve for the factors section for the and solve. So, after getting that all, the GCF here is 12. So, let's proceed to the conclusion. Therefore, there would be 12 pieces of fruit in each class container. I hope all of you are this one. Of course, video and copy your homework. I will go in to check your notebook when we leave. Okay. Of course, video copy your homework. That's all for today. To summarize what we learned from what we learned today. Okay, first, we solve word problems involving chicken and first that we use the UPLC to answer the problem. UPLC standing for understand, plan, solve, and solution. Okay, so now I hope that you understand our topic today. And but before we end, let me share this to you that our method in solving our problem can use in real life situation. Ngayon, yung you can see. First, it's understanding na kapag we have problem, first we need to understand what is our problem. After that, we have plan. How are we going to solve our problem? Next, that plan, because you have plan na. Third, you're going to solve it using your plan. After that, for look back, if you solve your problem, you can solve it real life situation. Bilang siya how work problems in also number class, if we have problem like student five, so we can have ways to solve it and make our life. Okay? So now let's end session with prayer. Bow your head and close your eyes. Lord, thank you for this place. Thank you for another good day. Thank you for the learning together. Please guide us well. Help kami ngayon ang nag-alpha kami. Thank you. Okay. That's all. Bye.